Buttermilk Nutritional Facts, Benefits for Skin and Homemade Buttermilk Recipe. Buttermilk is just not a blend of milk and butter, it is a derivative of the butter mixing process. It is the perfect accompaniment to our meals. It is nutritive and contains all the elements necessary for a well-balanced diet. It has proteins, carbohydrates, minimal lipids, vitamins, and essential enzymes and makes for a complete meal anywhere, anytime. It is also a great way to cool off when the heat is unbearable. Making it a part of daily diet confers long-term health benefits, so make sure to have buttermilk always at hand, especially during summers. Ayurveda uses buttermilk both to maintain health and to treat diseases. Nutritional facts. 1 cup of whole milk contains 156 calories and 8.89 grams of fat, whereas 1 cup of buttermilk contains 95 calories and 2.4 grams of fat. Buttermilk contains vitamins, potassium, traces of phosphorus, and provides calcium without fat. Health benefits. Prevents yeast infections, provides calcium without fat, reduces body heat, decrease blood pressure, digestive aid, provides relief in acidity, fights against ulcers, effective against dehydration. Riboflavin helps detoxify the body, boosts your energy. Homemade buttermilk recipe. Combine the fresh curd, nearly 2 cups, cumin seeds powder, ginger green chili paste, black salt and rock salt in a deep bowl and mix well. Add 4 cups of chilled water and whisk well. Keep aside over the buttermilk. Serve chilled, garnished with coriander. Buttermilk and roses can give you a flawless skin. If you've only been drinking buttermilk so far, you may be surprised to know that it can also be used to see the beauty of your skin. You can use buttermilk to enhance the beauty of the buttermilk, either by dipping it in buttermilk or adding rose water to the buttermilk and adding it to the skin. 1. Buttermilk also acts as a cleaner for moisturizing the skin. It contains lactic acid, which removes dirt from your skin. 2. Buttermilk helps to light the color of your skin. Lactic acid and alpha hydroxy acid present in it help in improving facial complexion as well as removing deep scars from the skin. 3. To improve skin texture, you can add turmeric powder and gram flour to the buttermilk and make a paste. Now place it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash your face with light lukewarm water. 4. If you have tanning on your skin, so add tomato juice to the cold buttermilk and apply the mixture to your face and other affected places. After that, you wash your face after about an hour. This will cool your skin.